Pega system is based in Bangalore, Sydney, and east coast of United States. They are a major player in cloud service offerings, and this job is for cloud operations engineer in Sydney, Australia, and it's an on-site job. Now, Pega is expanding its cloud engineering and operations organization due to explosive growth and has an opportunity available for this engineer. You'll be mainly responsible for monitoring, alerting, and handling service requests, incidents, and phone calls. So, all in all, it seems like an total operations job. So, you need to have knock experience, plus, you should be aware of the any PaaS or SaaS cloud providers like AWS, Azure, I guess, and then you need to have some ITIL experience, which means that you need to be aware of incidents, change, problems, service requests, and escalations. You need to have experience in any cloud-based infrastructure, plus geographically distributed system. You should have some configuration management tooling experience. Plus, you would need to be involved in a roster for 24 by 7 rotating schedule, and you should be based in Sydney, of course. And I was just being told that it is not total on-site role, but a hybrid one, which 2 days in a week to work from office. So if you have worked in an operations role, especially in cloud operation roles, and you enjoy doing that, then this role is perfect for you. In order to apply it, you can go to LinkedIn or to their website and then apply directly from there. Just search for Pega System website, and that should be the first result. Thank you.